Neeli Bendapudi, an Indian origin professor, has created history as the first woman and person of color to be named as the president of Pennsylvania State University. The prestigious American university made the announcement on Thursday, thus writing a landmark new chapter in the institution's 166-year history. Bendapudi was born in Visakhapatnam and came to the United States in 1986 for higher studies. She is currently serving as the president and professor of marketing at the University of Louisville in Kentucky. On its website, Pennsylvania State University stated, Bendapudi has been anonymously named Penn State's next president by the Penn State Board of Trustees on December 9th. Thanking everyone, Bendapudi said, "Thank you to the Penn State community and Board of Trustees. I'm grateful for this opportunity and will make it my mission to help Penn State reach new heights across each of our campuses."